Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the Lyft application if it keeps on popping up. So let's get started right away. Now, if you get various notifications on the Lyft application, or if it keeps on opening with the overlay settings above your other applications, then in order to fix this issue, long press on the Lyft application and tap on the info button. You can also go into your phone settings, hover over to apps, and then tap on Lyft to enter into this app info menu. Now from this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the app. Now within this page, you will find the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure allow notifications is turned off. This will now turn off all notifications from the Lyft application. You can then go back and tap on permissions. Now underneath permissions, if you see draw over other apps, then make sure to tap on it and place it underneath not allowed. Once you remove access to draw over other apps, the Lyft application will stop appearing and popping up on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to turn off the Lyft application from popping up on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.